Hello everyone, welcome to GED exam preparation class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And on this video, we're going to learn now how to do division of fractions. Division of fractions are very, very easy, my friends. And this is going to be very crazy, but actually to divide these two fractions, we don't have to divide at all. We actually multiply. Let me tell you what we do. So in order for us to solve or to solve for this division, okay, the way we're going to divide these two fractions is by the second fraction. We're going to flip it. We're going to invert the numbers, okay? So for example, right here, and we're always going to do this with the second fraction, not the first one, but the second one. We're going to invert these two right here. So, and instead of 4/9, I'm going to invert this. Now it's going to be 9/4. Now the next thing I'm going to do now I'm going to multiply these numbers straight through. Yes, how much is 4 times 9? 4 times 9 is equals to 36. And how much is 5 times 4? 5 times 4 is equals to 20. Very good. Now can I reduce this fraction? Yes, I can. I can cut it in half. And if I divide this by 2, okay, the 36 divided by 2 is going to be equals to 18. And then the 20 divided by 2 is going to be equals to 10. Very good. Can I reduce this anymore? Yes, I can. I can also do it again by 2. I can reduce it by 2. And 2 divided by 18 is going to be, or 18 divided by 2 is going to be equals to 9. And then the 10 divided by 2 is going to be equals to 5. Okay? And that is still my correct answer, but yet not my final answer. I still have to turn this fraction right here into a mixed number. Well, why is that? Well, because I'm looking at this fraction and I'm noticing that the number on the top is bigger than the number on the bottom. So therefore, this can be a mixed number or a mixed fraction. I'm going to divide this 5 in this direction. How many times a 5 can go into the 9? Only one time. So I'm going to write my answer here. Do I have any remainders? Yes, I do. My remainder is going to be 4. And then this 5 right here is always going to come this way right here. Very nice. And this, my friends, this is the final answer. And this is what's going to be expected of your GED exam. This is what your GED exam is going to expect that you choose. However, remember, any of these 4 answers right here are correct. Remember, the GED exam is not going to give you all these 4 answers and expect from you to select this. No, they're only going to give you one correct answer, and they're only going to give you this one right here in the case of an example like this.